Aloha, it's Jessica Baker with Coldwell Banker Island Properties here for your Maui market update on October 3rd, 2018. This week I wanted to share a few tips with you from a blog post I wrote recently about 5 tips for purchasing a historical home here on Maui. So first and foremost, what is a historical home here on Maui? Well, in the late 19th, early 20th century, thousands upon thousands of acres of land on the island here were planted in sugarcane and also a new experimental crop called pineapple. You may have heard of it. So the plantation owners had their fabulous mansions, but the workers scattered in different areas all around the island next to these plantations had small homes, 1,000 square feet or less, single wall construction, post and pier foundations. And those today, the homes that were constructed in the 1920s to the 1940s, plantation workers' homes, are what we typically define here on island as a historical home. So one of the biggest things you want to look for when purchasing a historical home is termite damage. It's possible that the house was constructed out of hardwoods like redwoods that are naturally termite resistant, or maybe the house was not constructed so well. So it's super duper important prior to purchasing that you not only have a termite inspection done to check for active infestations, but a licensed contractor look underneath the house, especially at the foundation. Super easy to do. It's elevated off the ground and there's a crawl space, but to check for any past termite damage that may affect the structural components of the home. Worst thing is that the house crumbles down in the next rainstorm, windstorm, into a pile of dust. Another important tip that you want to look for is what kind of wastewater system the property has. A sewer system or a septic system or a cesspool. A lot of these houses were built with cesspools, which are just basically a hole in the ground, and now the county requires any new construction or building permit updates to have a septic tank installed. So super duper important, find out the existing wastewater system that's there in the property, its location, and factor that into your overall costs for remodeling the property, so you'll know well in advance if you have to pay $10,000, sometimes even $20,000 plus to put in a septic system. So those are just 2 of the 5 tips that are in my blog, so definitely check it out. I'll send you a link. And now here is this week's Best Buy. And this week's Best Buy is, of course, a historical plantation home. It's 220 Hala Place, just off of busy Lower Main Street in Wailuku, an awesome location to be close to lots of local businesses. The house itself is 3 bedrooms and 1 bath in terrific condition, move-in ready, and it's priced at $399,000, which is an unbeatable price for any single family home on Maui. So this cute little house will not last long. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today, Jessica Baker with Coldwell Banker Island Properties, for another Maui market update. I look forward to your feedback on future topics and questions you'd like to hear about, and always call me at 808-250-0840 for all of your Maui real estate needs. I look forward to hearing from you. Aloha for now.